Suddenly, the pages began to glow, and Maestro Harmonia appeared, ready to guide Melody on another musical adventure.
Ah, I see you've discovered the secrets of the minor keys. Every major key has a hidden minor companion. Use your wits and the keys to uncover them.
Another mystery? I'm ready.
Today, you'll learn how to find the relative minor of a major key. To do this, you'll walk on the giant keyboard and uncover the hidden minor key.
Excited to begin, Melody approached the giant keyboard. She marveled at their size, feeling like Alice in a musical wonderland.
Let's start with something familiar, C major. Think of this as a special dance melody. 3 steps to the left, but only on the white keys. Hop onto C, and that will be your first step.
Melody stood on C and said,
This is my first step.
Melody carefully hopped to the next white key to the left, B.
This is my second step.
She moved again to the next white key on the left, A.
And this is my third step.
She took out her music notebook and jotted down.
The hidden minor key might be A. This is like solving a musical puzzle.
Ah, but we must be sure. Time for the semitone spell. Think of it as checking your treasure map twice. Start back at C and count 3 semitones down. Melody stepped back onto C and began counting.
That's 1 semitone, 2 semitones, 3 semitones. Both the white keys and the semitones land on A. That means the relative minor of C major is A minor.
Excellent work, Melody. Ready for something trickier? Now let's try another major key, A major. Start on the A key and follow the same steps.
This time, Melody approached with confidence.
A is my first step, G is my second step, and F is my third step. The hidden minor key might be F, but I shall confirm with the semitone spell.
Melody returned to the A key.
1 semitone, 2 semitones, and 3 semitones. Wait, something interesting is happening here. When I walked down 3 white keys, I landed on F. But when I counted down 3 semitones from A, I landed on the black key. When a black key is to the right of a white key, it's called a sharp. Therefore, black key is F sharp, which means A major hidden partner is F sharp minor. It's like a puzzle with a twist.
Excellent. Now the ultimate test. A black key major, B flat major. Pay attention here. When starting on a black key, you still count white keys for your steps.
Melody paused, studying the key name B flat.
Oh, I get it. In B flat, the main letter is B. So even though B flat is a black key, I'll use the white key B to start counting my steps. The flat symbol doesn't matter for finding my starting point, so the starting point B is my first step. A, my second step, and G, my third step.
She marked G as the possible minor on her music notebook.
For semitone, I have to start on the given key, which is B flat, 1 semitone, 2 semitones, and 3 semitones. It matches! Both white key and semitone landed on G, so the relative minor of B flat major is G minor.
Melody, you've mastered flat keys beautifully. But what about sharp keys? Let's try F sharp major.
Melody looked at the giant keyboard with determination.
F sharp major. That's a black key too, just like with B flat, where I used the letter B. For F sharp, I should use the letter F to start counting my white keys. E will be my second step, and D will be my third step.
She marked D as the possible minor key.
Now for the semitones, I'll start from the F sharp key, since that's the major key I'm working with. 1 semitone, 2 semitones, and 3 semitones. Aha! The semitones lead to D sharp, so the relative minor of F sharp major is D sharp minor.
Melody compiled her findings into a magical scroll for future explorers, unlocking the secrets of major and minor keys.
Major to minor. 1. Start on the major key. 2. Count 3 white key steps left. 3. Confirm with 3 semitones down. Maestro, we've learned how to find the minor key from a major key. But what about the other way around? Can we go from a minor key back to its major key?
An excellent question. The journey is similar, but with one key difference. For minor to major, instead of stepping left, you'll step right. And when counting semitones, you'll move 3 semitones to the right instead of left. Let's use F minor as our adventure. We'll follow the same magical steps, but in the opposite direction.
Melody start on the white key F.
This is my first step. G will be my second step, and A, my third step.
Melody carefully marked A in her notebook.
Now for the semitone spell, remember, count 3 semitones to the right from F minor.
1 semitone, 2 semitones, and 3 semitones. Oh, the semitones whispered a secret. They pointed to a mysterious black key. The 3 white steps lead to A, but 3 semitones reach to black key. When a black key is to the left of a white key, it's called a flat. Therefore, it's A flat. And that means the relative major of F minor is A flat major.
With a triumphant grin, she updated her musical wisdom scroll.
Minor to major. 1. Start on the minor key. 2. Count 3 white key steps right. 3. Confirm with 3 semitones up.
Brilliant, Melody. You've unlocked the magical connection between major and minor keys.
Fellow music explorers, are you ready for the ultimate musical mystery challenge? Let's explore the magical connections between major and minor keys. Find the relative minor key for these major keys: E major, G major, and D flat major. Lastly, uncover the relative major key for these minor keys: E minor, F sharp minor, and D minor. I'd like to hear from you. Please share your answers in the comments below. Feeling unsure? Type "Help me, Melody," and let's discover together.
Your journey with Melody on the giant keyboard has only just begun. Remember to like and subscribe for more exciting musical quests as our curious protagonist continues to unravel the mysteries of harmony and scales. What new friends will she meet? What unexpected challenges await? The world of music is vast and full of wonder, and Melody's next adventure is just around the corner. Don't miss out on the fun. Keep your eyes and ears open for the next chapter in Melody's musical odyssey.